we'll be working on a combo using the Starfish, the Anastasia split, the Jade split, and the Tic-Tac. The Starfish. You want to hook your outside knee. I want the pole touching the back of my knee, and now I'm bending it. My toes, as you see, are pointing towards the floor. You need that to start, to have a good grip with your knee. Then, my inside leg, I'm going to bend my hip 90 degrees and press the pole with the top of my leg. In the meantime, I'm going to use my inside arm, fingers pointing down, to press into my bracket grip, getting my arm long. Bracket grip, push, get your hip in a 90-degree position, and press the pole with the top of your thigh. Now I can just open my shoulder to the ceiling. The Anastasia split. We'll be working the split Anastasia from the Starfish. This is my outside leg, the one that is bent and holding the pole. With the other leg, okay, my other leg was in a 90-degree angle, pressing with my thigh. I'm going to start squeezing my glutes so that I can push the pole and change the angle of my leg. I'm pressing the pole with the top of my thigh. I'm going to reconnect my outside hand with the pole. Let's do it. Here I am in my Starfish, getting my top grip. You can keep your hand like this at the bottom. I like to change it for a true grip. I feel that I have more space in my back. So I'm going to start pressing. And then you'll be able to open the top leg, because my outside leg hand is replacing my knee grip. So let's do it one more time. Getting into my Starfish, using my top hand, changing my lower hand, pressing, opening my knee. We're going to work the Jade split. From the split Anastasia, we're gonna get into a Jade split, a no hand Jade split. We were down. I'm gonna bring back my knee, back into my Starfish, and I'm gonna start sliding my hand down on the pole, catching my ankle, either on the top or on the bottom, what feels the best for you. And now, I'm going to straddle. From the straddle, I'm going to start lengthening my outside leg, squeezing my glute, pressing down with this foot, pressing down, and to remove my bottom hand, I'm just sliding it down until I'm finding my balance. Here you go. You can remove one hand. You can remove the other hand. It's all your core, your muscle activation in your core. This is my outside leg, the leg that is going back. I really need to activate very hard that glute to start tilting my pelvis. And I want to imagine that foot to be so heavy that it's pressing away and down. This is very important. That will change everything in your jade split. The other leg, think about straightening your knee. Okay, no soft knee. And you can pull it towards you. I like that grip to pull it towards me, or you can grab like this and pull it towards the middle. It's either or, what feels the best for you. If I keep my foot lateral, this is where it goes. If I open it, I'm gonna gain a lot of space. Just look at it. So lateral, and now I open it. This was a little trick for the jade split in your core. So muscle activation in your glutes, your abs. My bottom hand, when I feel that I'm ready, I'm steady in my legs, because you need to find a balance in your leg. If you pull your front leg toward your face, you need to activate the glutes to push your back leg towards the floor. It's really all in your muscle activation. Once you find a bit the balance, the trick to don't lose it, what I'm doing is that I'm slowly sliding my hands along the pole until it comes off. And this way, I know I have my balance. So let's see it again. Coming into my starfish, grabbing my leg, straightening my knee and pressing my leg towards me, straddle. Now, pressing this leg down. Look at my bottom hand. I'm sliding it. We are going to work the tic-tac. The tic-tac from the jade split. It's a tic-tac, meaning that you're gonna have your pivot point around your waist and you're gonna tic-tac. Shoulder will come up, hips will come down. What you wanna know first is that you're gonna reach, this is my inside, you're gonna reach through your arm, straighten your elbow as high as you can with your inside arm, and that will give you the better grip for that. I'm reaching up, and now I'm going to tic-tac. I bent my knee to find the pole with the top of my foot and slide it down. If you can't, if you don't have the flex yet to do so, you can still do a nice tic-tac, but you won't reach back. I'm going to show it to you. From my jade, again, I'm just going to come down. See, I'm just going to come down and I can just walk on the floor. Okay, reaching high, bringing my shoulder up and sliding so that I can come down on the floor. If you like the content of this video, subscribe to this channel, give a like, give a comment, and hit that little bell to be notified of our next upcoming video. Have a good day.